We're going to start with the men's perspective. Take a step backward with the right leg, tap with the left one. Now left leg goes forward diagonally to the right, get in front of the lady, right hand goes up, use it to pull the lady behind your back. Step, connect your feet, shift your weight to the right leg, side step to the left, tap. From that point, the steps are like this. Right leg goes backward, tap, left diagonally forward, and right leg stays to the right side. Notice what happens with the hands. With the step backward, let go with the left hand. Right hand goes down between the two of you, then above the lady's head. Diagonal step, use the right hand to place the lady's hand behind your neck. Let go. With a broad motion, place the left hand on the lady's back and the right one on her belly. Now the lady's perspective. You've ended with your weight on the right leg. Now, step backward with the left leg, tap with the right one. Take a step forward with the right leg, going behind the man. And right, feet together, side step to the right, tap. Rotate counterclockwise, getting in front of the man. Take 4 steps, start with the left leg. And left, right, left, right. End up with your right side to the man and place your hand behind his neck on his shoulders. Remember to keep your steps small during the rotation, keep your back straight, engage your core. You should also both use your last step to get very close to each other up to the point when you have a connection through your hips. Let's count this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.